What up, guys? I'm back with some more content for you. This one is going to be on the FA5 Civic. All about some interior mods. Nothing crazy, but a lot of people do this to their FA5s and just to clean them up on the inside. And some of the things are to make it look cooler, you know, aftermarket cool stuff. Some stuff is replacing some stock stuff because it's broken, because it's a typical thing that breaks on these cars. So let's get into it, and I will show you what the 4 items are that we're going to be replacing. Let's go. Well, we're sitting in the driver's seat, as you can see, so you clearly probably know what we're going to change out. It's staring us right in the face. The Honda emblem. If you can see that, it is absolutely terrible. The chrome covering is gone. Got the car like this, and this happens a lot on a lot of SIs this year, this you know, model. I think it happens to a lot of Hondas, but this emblem like specifically does this a lot. So we got the JDM red. It just tunes it up and makes it real nice in here. It just matches all the red features. You know, you got your stitching on your seat and all that stuff. So we're gonna be changing that to the red H, a little JDM badge for you. The next thing, I've actually already changed it. I did it a long time ago because I just couldn't wait, but I will show you how to install it. It's probably the easiest thing you could ever possibly do on your FA5. There's almost nothing easier to do than, honestly, I don't even know at this moment, but yeah. So, shift knob. As you can see, I have the Hybrid Racing red shift knob, okay? They make all different colors. They make a plain silver. So yeah, Hybrid Racing shift knob. Super easy to change out. I'll show you how to do that. It just makes the interior, everything tying together. I got the red. I did this a long time ago. The red, this boot was completely torn apart. Did the same thing as this, where it's like a fake leather, where the leather is actually peeling off the material. So I got a real leather one with the red stitching on both sides. Came out real nice. So it looks really good, guys. There's a side view of that. So, okay, and obviously in this image that you can see right here, there's something else not right. Oh, there it is. E-brake handle. Completely mangled. Once again, got the car like this. Up when you get in the 100,000 mile range, clearly peeling off the silver thing. It actually broke, so this person just electrical taped it, and it's literally been like that for about 3 years since I've owned it because I just didn't care. But I bought a new one. I got over it. It's getting annoying. It's getting sticky right here, so I'm like, all right. So we're going to replace that. So far we got the emblem, e-brake handle, cool shift knob, and the last, a door handle. Let's go around there and check that out. So my door handle was broken, again, when I bought the vehicle. Had a few things wrong with it. Overall, the car was very nice when I bought it. But this handle is broken. Not the handle itself that you open the door with, but right in there, if you can see the backing, the screw is there, right there, as you can see it, right in there. See the screw right there? You can see the plastic is fully broken, like that the screw would push against to hold this in. So when you open the door, this is what happens. And it pops out, literally. The whole thing just, it just pops out. So that's not right, because as you can see, where'd the screw go? Oh, it's way in there. So got a new door handle. I've been doing that for like 3 years, where you just, oh, push it back in. Okay, fine, I'm over it. Every person that gets in my car is like, wow, dude, seriously? So we're gonna change that as well. So that's what we're doing. Tuning up the interior of the FA5, just getting all these little things fixed, typical things that break. You got your e-brake, your Honda emblem wears out, your door handles break. It's just stuff that breaks, guys. They're very made of plastic. Not very good materials, but yeah, so let's get to it. All right, guys, so we're gonna take the door handle here and replace it, the whole thing, not just the silver part, like I said. So we got to get the door panel off, because we got to get behind to undo the cables and things that are in the back of this, because that's how it works. So, all right, guys, so you got the screw here that we're going to take off. You got to pry this up where your buttons are. It's just kind of like clipped in. So you pry right here between plastic and the pad, pull that off. I believe there's a screw under there, and then you just go to the bottom and pry it off, and then this is like a lip holding it on here, so you just kind of push it up, door handle comes off. So let's go. All right, guys, got the door panel off. It looks like for a while someone had, there's your regular screw right there with a washer. They put a bigger washer on it to try and fill that gap, but it just kept breaking and breaking and breaking. So, and this is what you're left with. Open door, super easy to get off. This is one of the easiest door panels I've ever taken off in my life, and I've taken off quite a few. Had many cars in my life, so older Hondas, you know, early 90s, middle 90s Hondas, early 2000 Hondas, this one. So this is easy as all hell. So now we're at the point of where we just take this off, replace it with the new one. Got right here in the box. Slap it all back on. I wish I would have bought speakers because I want to change these speakers out and I could have just done it, but now knowing how easy the door is, not worried about it. It's going to take me probably 20 minutes to change speakers, so that'll be in another video. So yeah, I did the back speakers a long time ago, but that's irrelevant. So all right, let's go. Done. Piece of cake. Check it out. Bam. Bam. Not broken anymore. I did realize that there is another hole back there. So, not sure what that's for. Oh, that's for that clip. There's a clip that goes there. Well, I'm missing that. But it's in. Look it doesn't pop out anymore. If, you know, as long as someone's not freaking ape jerking on it, I might go to the Honda dealership and get that clip and do it. But yeah. Look at that, guys. Cherry. Brand new door handle. Ba-bam. Easy, guys. Easy money. Unlock. Lock. Look at that. Everything works. Hell yeah. All right, let's move on. Let's go do the stuff on that side of the car. Let's roll. All right, guys, so let's take this off. Nasty tape on here, guys. Nasty. No idea how old this tape is, but it's like falling off. Blech. Nasty. Oh yeah, she's been on there a while. Oh, there's the end right there. All right, tape's off. Let's get this thing changed out. Well, that was more difficult than the damn door handle. Aftermarket parts that are not Honda OEM, you're gonna struggle. So remember that when you're buying your parts there, people. So check this out. Boom. Got this old dirty one off. Dude, this thing was broken. It was broken up top, so it sits like that normally. The button's up here. See, like that? So the button's normally right here, but the whole bottom was broken right there. And then you can see the tabs on the side. This one was snapped off right here. And then the other side, this whole thing's gone. So this thing was mangled, and it's obviously just absolutely beat. And I used the stock one of these. This is the aftermarket one. It didn't go in as well. I didn't like it, so you can take the button off and it just clips on right here. See that little tab right there? So I just put it on. I took the new button off because the old button's blown, you know, just worn out too. Put that on the stock Honda slider. Put it back on there. The rubber thing doesn't, I mean, it looks pretty freaking good. But yeah, so there's that. 2 out of 4 down. Let's go. All right, as you already saw, I did the shift knob on here already. So my other one was just really tore up and I wanted to change it out, but I will show you how to do it. It is very easy. So check this out. So the shift knob's on. This is the exact same process that you would do to take off the stock one. 14mm wrench. You've got one nut here that holds it on. This screws on, but this is what tightens upwards into it so then it doesn't move. That's all it is. That's all it is. So 14mm bolt, loosen that guy right there. Then you can unscrew this off, put the new one on, Hybrid Racing, Skunk 2, whatever you get, screw it on all the way. Then you tighten this back up and hold this while you're doing that nut right there and just crank it a little bit. Don't have to do a lot of pressure and you're done. That's how easy that is. So super hard to do, guys, super hard. But seriously, one of the coolest upgrades you can do for your car. I just think it looks amazing. I love the hybrid one. I love the feel of it in my hand. It fills my hand. It's, you know, I got pretty good sized hands and the stock one is very tiny. So I like something a little, you know, to grab onto, and it feels really good, you know, when you're shifting, you know, boom. So yeah, so boom, shifter's in. We got a new e-brake handle, guys. We got a new door handle. Let's do the best. We always save the best for last. Let's go. Honda emblem. All right, guys, so first thing, we'll just get this old emblem off here, and I'm gonna try to use my little plastic pry tools because I don't want to mess my freaking steering wheel up too bad. I got some black crap on there. Should pop off fairly easy from what I've read and heard. Might honk the horn. Oh, there it is. Oh boy. People are gonna be, what the hell's going on over there? Okay, the plastic pry tool not working, and we're just honking the horn a lot and sounding like an idiot, so. Alright, quit it, horn, dumbass. Alright, so went and pulled the fuse for the horn. It's up there on the engine bay on the if you're looking at the engine bay on the right top corner by your brake booster. Pull that out. No horn. Now you won't sound like a jackass when you're trying to do this. So yeah, I'm gonna pull the emblem off and then I'll show you guys what else to do after that. Alright guys, got the emblem off. Not too bad, but I will show you what you need, what tools you need and what you need to do to get it off. So this is what it looks like after you get it off. I didn't chinger it up too bad. I already had this little mark right here, but I'm gonna try to trim that piece off. But anyways, emblem's off. Here it is. Mangled junk. Okay. So, best tool to use, this guy here. Harbor Freight 4-pick tool set. Freaking like $2 or something. And then you can get in there and pry it up. And then as you pry it up, you go with your knife and you just cut each of these dots here. Each one is just, you just cut them. That's it. So, cut those off. Get some rubbing alcohol. Clean this off real good so there's no grease from your fingers and dirt and grime. And then get your emblem, slap it on there. So, let's clean her and we'll slap that emblem on there. Look at that, guys. Boom. Hell yeah. She's looking cherry. Look at that. Damn, that makes the interior pop, guys. Red stitching on your seats. Hell yeah, red dash lights. New door handle. Not red, but whatever. Totally worth the couple bucks to make your interior get tuned up. If you've got other things that are broken, most of the stuff in here is very easy to fix. But I'll tell you right now, a red Honda emblem and a nice shift knob changes the whole look of this freaking dash area. Your cockpit. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's all I got parts wise for the FA5. I do actually, no, I lied. I have a idler pulley that I need to put on. It's just an OEM Honda one. There's a plastic one on there and it's starting to make a little bit of noise, and the plastic ones are garbage. So if you have a plastic one, get rid of it, get a Honda one. They're metal, they last a lot longer, they don't make noise. So I'll do a single video on that, quick little video on how to change that out. Easy, super easy. So all right, well, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Got a red Honda emblem now. We got our hybrid racing shift knob. We got a brand new e-brake handle, fresh. And we got a brand new passenger door handle. Boom. Hours worth of work, 4 different items. Makes the interior just look that much better. So, but yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate the all the subscribers and likes and everything. Keep them coming. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not. Hit the like button, hit the bell icon to get the updates on when the new videos come out. New stuff for the FA5 hopefully in the future. Gonna get Flash Pro, gonna do some stuff to this car, get it all tuned up. But yeah, more stuff to come on the hatch, and just good content, live action after the new year, guys. We're gonna be going to the track, so don't want to miss out on that. But I really appreciate everybody watching. It means a lot to me. So yeah, just keep it coming, guys. Until next time, peace.